from the sky, and I need you now tonight, and I need you more than water. That's all I got.
Here we go to the waterfalls. We go! Okay, what do we want to do? Waterfall?
Yeah.
But there's 2 arrows down.
We'll go to the stream after the waterfall.
Okay, so we're gonna do this way first.
Hey everyone, update. We're still hiking. It's a little chilly, but like it's okay. Oh. Y'all, that was a trip. Y'all got to see it. As you can see, there's lots of roots and, you know, leaves. Yeah, like nature doing its job, you know.
You coming? Get it? Coming!
It's pretty cool. It's a waterfall. I saw some people like walking on the waterfall, and like I probably shouldn't like voice this to the universe, but like one of my greatest fears is like slipping on a wet rock and cracking my head open.
Well, I think we're gonna walk down the trail that way to down there because we drove an hour and a half for this, so we got to take it all in.
So this better be a freaking cool waterfall. So not that close, jeez. There were like some guys over there while we were looking at the overlook, and they were talking about like, oh yeah, the rocks have stratusized, and oh, do you see how it's been the Terra and they just were taking this waterfall very, very seriously. How it stratus, do you see the Terra and the that's all.
My biggest fear right now are bears because I don't have any bear repellent. I don't really know how to like get rid of them.
I do.
How would you get rid of the bear?
I think for a brown bear.
Are those the kind in Tennessee?
I don't know.
I don't even know what kind of bears are here. Are there spiders?
You look at them and then you know.
Oh, you always have to be prepared. You never want to be caught off guard with a bear, that's for sure.
I hope I see a lizard.
A lizard? We're not in Florida.
We're going in the right direction. So
we think, anyways.
We think.
Hopefully.
So
I
looks like it's just a loop.
So we shouldn't be able to get lost, which is good. Yeah. Because that's kind of my fear. Besides the bears. We have a lot of fears. We really are nature girls though, we promise.
Oh yeah. Big time. So as you can see, I look pretty athletic. I mean, joke's on you, I'm not. Big surprise. As you can see, I'm a Target girl. Really comfortable, I can move in it.
It's gonna be so cool seeing it up close. Love it.
Woolly bear, little woolly bear, I love you. You are so cute and fuzzy too.
Oh, I see his little eyeballs. Do you see his sticky little feet? Yep. We learned that in order to get to the waterfall, we think we have to cross over this river. So we're gonna have to take our socks and shoes off and walk through what Hannah didn't want to do. Slippery rocks. adventure day, right? Crossing the river to see the waterfall. It is slippery here, just so you know. We just crossed the river in our bare feet, and it is so cold, and the rocks are so slippery. And now we have to wait for our feet to dry before we can put our shoes back. We're gonna have to walk all the way back to where we came from.
We're gonna have to do this again.
So we have to walk back through this again, and the whole hike that we just did. I think we'll go a lot quicker because we won't be stopping so much. But we were hoping that the whole park would just loop around. Apparently not, and we're gonna have to walk all the way back. So that'll be fun. Literally everybody keeps telling us that we are close to this waterfall. And every step of the way, it feels like we're farther and farther away from it. Why is it so hard to get there? Isn't that the point of this hike, is to get to the waterfall?
This is the worst thing. This day turned out horribly for me. My feet hurt. My pants are
You're
wet.
having fun.
No, I was up until like 5 minutes ago. I don't like it. I really would have been just fine. Going back, do you see that? I had to clean this off to put my shoe on.
We made it to the waterfall. What an adventure. Who knew? A lot more intense than I thought it would be. But definitely fun. We didn't bring snacks, we didn't bring water. This life isn't for us. This life isn't for us. Do you need another break?
Yeah.
It's bad. This is a long hike. Did you think it was gonna be this long?
No, but I told you to turn your little booty around. I want dinner and lunch, and these people are walking behind us like it's freaking nothing. So I feel like a dummy. But they're like, "Oh yeah, this is nothing. It's just fun."
This is what we do every Saturday.
And we're like over here, like, "Oh, mama, it's hot. I'm sweating. My calves hurt. All that work that I did in marching band in high school, gone out the window. Uphill, uphill. Horrible. Horrible, horrible." We're back at the parking lot.
Shortcut. The way we went. The shortcut.
We're sweaty. We're tired. We're hungry. We walked way more than we needed to. But we're healthy, athletic girls.
3.5 hours of a hike. Do you know how long we've hiked before in the past?
0 hours and 0 minutes.
0 hours and 0 minutes. We are not hikers. We were laughing at all these people with their hiking sticks and their boots, and we're like what?
They're so extra.
And we're over here like in our like trendy clothes trying to look athletic, and we did it all wrong.